Alam ko na mas yung maghanap ng mali. So, eto na ulit. I don't agree to the people who say women should stay at home. A, B, C, or D, or is there no error? 5 seconds. Correct answer, letter A. Agree to yung mali. Bakit? Kasi dapat dito, agree with. Ganito niyo lang yung tatandaan. Ang agree with, ginagamit natin kapag meron kayong parehong opinion. So, halimbawa, sumasang-ayon ka sa kanya kasi pareho kayo ng opinion, sasabihin mo, yes, I agree with you. In this case kasi, meron tayong opinion at yun ay yung pagsistay at home ng kababaihan. So, since pinag-uusapan nga natin ay isang opinion at sinasabi mo, hindi ka nag-agree doon sa opinion na yun, ang tamang sabihin ay, I don't agree with the people who say blah blah blah. Take note though na pwede pa rin naman natin gamitin yung agree to pero hindi sa mga ganitong konteksto. Ang agree to kasi ginagamit yan kapag sinasabi natin we are willing to accept or allow something. So halimbawa, I agree to the terms and conditions. Meaning, willing ka to accept those terms and conditions o kaya the bank has agreed to our request for a loan. So yung bangko, ina-allow nila yung paglo-loan mo. Agree to.